Hello friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh. Now we are discuss about small garden idea. Let's start. Hanging flower basket are perfect for small gardens as they add color and greenery to your garden or deck without taking up ground space. You can take advantage of overhead space and add fun details to your garden with colorful and stylish hanging plant basket. Ladder flower garden. Ladder may have been invented to give you a step up, but they also serve as rustic plant shelves, stuck terracotta pots filled with flowers on the step of an old ladder for an easy and cheap means to versatile space. Colorful pots and birdhouse container. Gardening doesn't have to be boring here. Painted birdhouse and DIY planters echo the colors of the flowers to create one gorgeous display. Hanging bottle garden. Hanging bottle garden. Upcycle plastic bottle and hang them to create mini terrariums, which also make the most of limited space. So friend, do you like my channel? So please subscribe and tap the icon button. Take care, bye bye, see you.